This is the first of 3 videos that answer the question, what method should I use when it comes to solving angles and sides of triangles? The first thing you need to look at is what kind of triangle do you have? If you have a right triangle, then may I suggest, in fact I insist, you use SOHCAHTOA. You need to use the definition of right triangle trig ratios. Over here I have my values for this particular triangle. It says that my hypotenuse here happens to be equal to 13. It also says that the side opposite B happens to be 12. So if I'm going to find angle A, then I will realize that 12 is going to be called my adjacent. So the cosine of A happens to equal my adjacent 12 over my hypotenuse 13. If I want to actually find angle A, then cosine inverse of 12/13 would equal A, which then equals 22.62 degrees. Now, yes, I can use my 90-degree angle here, and I can use my 22.62 degrees right here to help me find angle B, which is right down here. But I'm trying to emphasize SOHCAHTOA. So how about when we're solving this angle, we instead just think of this as the opposite, and then we just say that the sine of B equals 12/13, and then we can just use the sine inverse function of 12/13, come up with the answer of 67.38 degrees, and all is well. If I need to use a side or find a side, like this one over here, where's my marker? It's right there. If I need to find a side, this is real simple. We're going to go back to good old Pythagorean's theorem. We're going to say that, in this case, literally A, which I don't know, squared, plus B squared happens to equal C squared. So if A squared plus 12 squared has to equal 13 squared, and A squared plus 144 equals 169, then A squared would have to equal 25, and therefore I know that this side length is 5. Again, if you have a right triangle, keep it simple. Use right triangle trig ratios, aka SOHCAHTOA, to solve your angles and sides.